So good morning, everyone. This is our um, main goal, no, in this meeting that we're going to discuss the online class rules and subject regulations for online classes and blended learning class for architecture subjects. No, so this is Architect Richard Matakubo uh, under the New Era University and our new college, which is the College of Architecture. So let's give a hand for the new college in our university by the efforts of the instructors, professors, and our dean, no, that make this possible, no, for the college. Okay, so moving on, we are going to I'm going to show to you the subjects that I am handling this semester. No, so if you are part of this subjects, maybe we can see each other on the other subjects and other schedules. No, so I am handling also professional practice 3 for the fourth year, building utilities 2 for the second year that you are currently enrolled, and the housing for the fifth year students. No? So our platforms is, of course, we have the Newly environment, yung ating learning management system for the New Era University. Next is the Google Meet, which we are utilizing right now. The official messenger, which we have established yesterday for our quick announcements and other guidelines now for the submissions and our synchronous and asynchronous classes. NEU email address for you for communications. No, so please do not send a message in the messenger account of your instructor. Use your email address so that I can address your concerns uh, meaningfully, or um, naka ano siya, naka designate properly, no, kung anong subject and etc. No, so you just have to inform me the subjects and other relevant information of your queries. Okay, so we have preamble here, no. So in order for us to be able to understand well why are we having these policies, because of the pursuant to the policy of the New Era University on flexible and online learning, which is consistent in the standards of the Commission on Higher Education, the CHED, and College of Architecture. So this document sets forth the rules, expectations, and regulations governing the conduct of architecture subjects delivering through online and blended learning modalities, which you are using right now. So all faculty members and students enrolled in the architecture courses are expected to read, understand, and comply with these provisions for the duration of the academic term, which is also applied next semester. So these regulations shall apply all lecture, laboratory, design studio subjects conducted fully online or in blended online and face-to-face formats, including but not limited to architectural design, building technology, architectural theory, history, structures, utilities, and allied professional courses. As you can see, the subjects that we are handling right now has been mentioned. Na, so kailangan we should comply. For the general provision, firstly, kailangan students must be officially enrolled and included in the class list of university's official learning management. So, syempre sa NUVLE, you have to check later if your name has been there in the NUVLE. No, so, the NUVLE 2526 .edu.ph, no, or the official learning website that we have, no, or designated online platform like Google Classroom and Google Meet. Anyway, we don't use Google Classroom naman, but we are using the kailangan dun kasi lahat ng mga submissions natin, and those are very crucial in our subject, no. So Newvle pa din, no, dapat. And confirm it during our class, synchronous class, your attendance and your section, because we have an electronic class record and each synchronous meeting has a roll call, no. So if your name was not called on that certain schedule and certain section, you must confirm it by raising a concern, no. Maybe you are not enrolled in the subject, no, kasi baka sa kalagitnaan na ng subject at hindi ka pa rin pala naka-enroll, or you thought that you have enrolled it but you're not. Just confirm it by raising a concern if your name was not called during the roll call. Okay, so the official university email account and Newvle credentials shall be used for all class-related transactions. Personal or unregistered accounts shall not be recognized for attendance, submission, or communication purposes. Especially when we are doing our online class, no, synchronous online class. If you are using your personal email, there's a big chance that I might reject, no, your request to enter the class, to enter the online class, classroom, no. So because if you're using the Newvle account or the nau.edu.ph account, you'll be automatically admitted to the class, no. Kahit labas-pasok ka pa dyan sa class link natin, makakapasok ka, no. So the class syllabus, course requirement, and other topics and grading criteria shall be discussed and distributed by the subject instructor during the first week of the class and shall remain the governing reference of the term. So the syllabus will be or already uploaded in your Newvle dashboard sa subject na BU2, and course requirements also nandun na, kailangan na natin isa-isahin yun later or in the later part of our subject. Also, the topics already there. Grading criteria will be discussed later on the slide, and the other information regarding the subject. Any changes on the online class schedule, platform, or requirement shall be communicated by the instructor at least 24 hours in advance, except in emergency cases. Like for example, kanina, no, emergency cases kasi yung class link pala ay hindi na send, no, kagabi. So anyway, pero you have already been informed kahapon pa that the class for the 3AR1 has this schedule. So you must be responsible for checking that. Students are responsible for securing a stable internet connection, no, because we are purely online, an appropriate device, and a conducting learning environment for the duration of each online session. So please make sure or try to have a quiet area for conductive learning environment, no. So free of distractions and other makakapag-distract, no, during the class, no. Attendance shall be checked at every start of synchronous meeting, which is real time, like this one, through Newvle attendance log, roll call, or digital sign-in, no. So yun nga, as I mentioned kanina, sa Newvle attendance natin, kailangan makapag-open kayo ng Newvle ninyo, and yung roll call natin every start of the meeting, no, kailangan meron kang or nandyan ka to answer when your name was called. Okay, so yun yung roll call natin. Okay, 7:30 siguro pwede yan for your I mean in your case, no. Pero pag ibang subject kasi magkaiba din yung time nun. Students are considered late if they log in more than 15 minutes after the official start of the session, and absent if they log in more than 30 minutes if the session has begun. Okay, so understood naman yan unless otherwise specified by the instructor. So a student who incurs absent equivalent to 20% or more the total number of class session in term may be dropped from the subject in accordance with university attendance policy. Same with CHED yan kasi 20% of the total number of class session. So for a asynchronous session or the self-paced module, it means hindi tayo mag-meet nun, pero meron kayong gagawin activity. There are some recorded lessons or reading materials you just have to access through Nuvle. Attendance shall be recorded based on the timely completion in the corresponding Nuvle activity or module before the given deadline. Request for excused absences like illness, family emergency, connectivity failure, force majeure must be supported by appropriate documentation and submitted to the instructor within 3 school days from the date of absence. Camera should be turned on during synchronous design, critics, juries, recitation, unless connectivity issues have been disclosed and accepted by the instructor. So, if ito, medyo negotiable, no? Syempre, other students have a limited access on the internet. So, pwedeng, if the minimum natin dyan is, naka-mute lang, no? So, maybe you can not open your camera because of the connectivity. Pero, once in a while, no, mag-open din kayo ng camera ninyo during the class hours, no? Para makita natin that you are attentive, you have your professional presence, no? Yan yung tinatawag nating professional presence during the class. Okay, and your activeness and class participation. So, ganun yung maging setup natin. Netiquette and online decorum. So, students shall log in using their full name as registered with the university. No alias, no emojis, no unrelated display of names to facilitate accurate attendance and identification. No? So, if your name in our GC dun sa messenger natin, kindly correct it by changing your nickname. No? Pwede naman kasi yun. No? Kahit di ka na mag-change name dun sa Facebook mo, pero dun sa messenger natin, change your names there with correct one. No? Para ma-address ko kayo properly. So, tanggalin nyo na yung mga Chinese character nyo doon, Japanese character na mga names, and other aliases. Baka baliktad pa yung pangalan mo doon, no? So, pakipalitan na mamaya. Okay, appropriate attire and professional background for the virtual or physical are expected during synchronous session, during critics and juries consistent with the university's discipline campus culture. So, yun, no? Online class is still a class, no? So, ano ba yung sinusuot natin pag we are in a class? Syempre, dapat naka-uniform tayo, no? So, yun yung pinaka-appropriate doon. Microphone shall be muted when not speaking to minimize background noise. The raise hand, kung nakikita nyo naman sa, natin, sa Google Meet, or chat function shall be used to signal a request to speak. Okay? So, yun yung proper. Respectful and professional language must be used at all times in chats, forums, discussion boards, and breakout rooms. Discriminatory remarks, profanity, and personal attack are strictly prohibited, no? Because that's a form of bullying. Unauthorized recording, screenshotting, or distribution of class session, lectures, and classmates' outputs without the consent of the instructor and individuals concerned is prohibited and may be subject to disciplinary action. So, ito, may exemption tayo dito, no? So, you could screenshot the like for example this one, no, yung ating discussion dito. You could screenshot that, no? Kahit di ka na mag yung proper, I mean yung kuha ka pa ng permission, no? So, you could screenshot that for your own reference, no? Or for your own consumption. Pag nag-study ka na, pag nag-review. So, that's for your own personal use, no? For your own screenshot, your personal use, no? So, others can do their screenshots dun sa mga recorded lessons na lang, no? Kung hindi ka nakapag attend, no, na synchronous meeting. But your screenshot, you must use your own personal screenshot, no? So, avoid or I discourage na isend pa dun sa mga classmates ninyo yung screenshots natin. No? Kasi baka mayroong mga sensitive information like exams, no? Baka mag-leak pa yung ating mga informations like that. So, kung hindi siya naka-attend, he or she must access our recorded lessons for them to review. Multitasking, gaming, and or engaging in non-class related activities during synchronous session is discouraged and may be considered in the assessment of class participation. So, raising your hand, reacting to the to the instructor's question, answering if there are questions by your instructor, is highly encouraged now to the students to show their participations in the class. Design studio outputs. Given that the practice-based nature of architecture education, so design studios subjects shall observe the following additional regulations for the online submissions of plates, plans, models, and related outputs. So, if your instructor or your professor is requiring you to submit in PDF form, submit in PDF form. Okay? Kasi yung iba, nagsasubmit pa din ng Word file kahit pinapasubmit ng PDF form. So, you will receive a deduction for that of not following the instructions of the format that they are trying to impose. No? Pag JPEG naman, picture type, dapat na-picture din yung pinapasubmit sa iyo. No? Kung naka-CAD yan or BIM, just submit the DW file or the RVT file through the official Newvle submission portal or designated cloud folder. So, doon sa Newvle natin, alam naman natin na 2 MB lang yung pinaka-maximum nun. I don't know lang kung nag-upgrade ba yung School Automate ngayon or yung Newvle. Pero, in my experience, 2 MB lang siya. No? So, there are times that you need to upload your output in Google Drive muna. Then, upload a file in the Newvle with the link that you are trying to submit. Pero there's a catch, no? Pag nag-submit ka ng link from the Google Drive to the Newvle, i-comment mo na siya doon sa yung submission, no? So, pag nag-comment ka doon, nandun yung link, pag click ko, dapat accessible siya. So, kailangan, before you make sure, no, that the submission that you submitted on the link is shared to my account, no? Shared to my account. Dapat for view siya or for edit, no? So, hindi ko naman na-edit yan. I just have to check it, no? Or check the submission if there are, kung meron siyang laman, no? If, pagka-click ko, kailangan pa ng request na i-open, no? Sa dami ng chine-check ko, ini-skip ko na yan, no? So, kasi ngayon pa lang, sinasabi ko sa inyo, kailangan naka-access siya dun sa aking account. Yung account ko mamaya, ifa-flash natin dito sa end of ng ating presentation, no? So, nandun yung ating official neu.edu.ph na account. So, yun yung gagamitin ninyo for I'll be able to access the file that you are submitting. Okay? So, physical or digital architectural models, when required, shall be documented through clear photographs or short video walkthrough following the instructor submission and guidelines. So, deadlines for plates and major design requirements are strict, so late submissions shall be subjected to grade deduction as stated in the course syllabus, except for validated and documented emergencies. Students must remain soft copies and, where applicable, work-in-progress files of their design outputs for verification, plagiarism checking, and portfolio purposes. So, sa inyo, in your case, there are times that I need to check your progress, no? So, progress checking yung tawag natin doon. So, you need to submit it, screenshots, yung mga files ninyo na hindi pa tapos. So, you must have a backup file for that. Design consultations like desk critics shall be scheduled through a platform and time slot by the instructor. Students are expected to present updated and organized work in each consultation, if there are consultations. Online design jury and final critic. So, juries and final critic shall be conducted synchronously via university's approved video conferencing platform with panel members. Now, so this one is for the 5th year students. Alright, now, so we have grading system. So, unless a specific weight is prescribed by the course syllabus, the following general grading shall distribute and apply to the architecture subject conducted online. So, this one is the general rule, no? How do we grade you? So, ito, as you can see, we have the plates, plans, and studios, or yung outputs na sinasabi natin, that's 40%, no? Yung weight niya in your grade. So these are the digitally submitted architectural plates, working drawings, design development sheets, studio delivers for project brief, or yung outputs na nire-require ng subject ninyo. So that's 40%. So malaki siyang portion to. No? So kailangan complete yung submission nyo. We have also quiz and long exams. That's 25%. Scheduled online or take-home assessments covering theory, technology, and allied architecture courses. Class standing like recitation, requirements, and attendance is 15%. Participation in synchronous discussion, submission of minor requirements, attendance, and punctuality record. So, late, no? Meron din tayong actually, last sem, yung ginagawa ko dyan for the lates, na-record ko pa din. By the end of the session, by the end of the meeting, nag-record pa din ako, no, ng mga latecomers. So, kasi, pag natapos na yung roll call, magdi-discussion na. After that, tatawag ulit ako, no, ng mga students na hindi nasama dun sa roll call. So, ganun siya kahaba, no, pag late. Pag natapos na yung session, di ka pa din dumating, so you are considered absent na. So, yun yung ating extended, no, na late roll call. Design, jury, and the final critic presentation is 20%. So, formal online presentation and defense. Now, anyway, so this weight is also adjusted, no? Kasi, kung wala naman kayong design, jury, and final critic presentation, so, dinidistribute ko na yan dun sa other weights, no? For us to be able to achieve the 100%. For the academic integrity, all examinations, quizzes, and plates, and design outputs submitted to online must be own original work. So, do not copy the works of your classmates or the other submissions, no? Especially if nandun sa Google Drive, no? Na lahat ay nakakita. Pero dapat, you must remain the integrity of your work. So, original work is very paramount, no? Plagiarism, contract cheating, and unauthorized collaboration are strictly prohibited. Pag hindi kayo ginugroup by pair, by threes, or by a group, please do not work on a group, no? So, please do it individually. Yung mga contract cheating, ito yung mga commissioned work, no? Nagpapagawa ng kanilang floor plan, papagawa ng mga 3D, papagawa ng mga other submissions by the other persons or any other architecture students from other schools. Yun yung contract cheating. So, it is punishable or by the code of conduct ng ating university that may result for a failing grade or disciplinary sanctions or both, no? Depende sa weight ng ginawa ninyo. So, online exams may require use of webcam. So, alam naman natin, especially in my subject, so, pag nag-final and midterm na yan, kung synchronous at naka-Google Form, so, I do webcam or open web monitoring, no, during the exams. Screen sharing or plagiarism detection of software is determined by the instructor to safeguard academic integrity. So, ito na yung code of conduct na sinasabi natin kanina for the violation of academic integrity. So, sharing of examination content, pag nag-screenshot ka ng Google Form, answer key, or confidential class material without the instructor's consent is also very, very prohibited. So, please refrain from doing that. So, communication protocols. So, official class announcements, schedules, and requirements shall be posted exclusively through the Newbly platform. Meron tayong mga announcement kasi doon sa dashboard natin. So, you need to check it later on, no? Official class messaging group. So, those are quick announcements, no? Pwedeng class link, etc. Students shall observe proper channels when raising concerns, like subject instructor first, followed by the program chair, coordinator, and the dean of the College of Architecture if unsolved, no? So, kailangan dumaan muna sa akin, kay program chair, at kay dean bago kayo pumunta sa other offices in the school. Kailangan proper tayo, no, for proper channeling of your concerns pag hindi na resolve. Pero sa akin pa lang, kung subject matters lang naman yan, ma-resolve natin yan, no? So just have to contact me in my email address. Faculty members shall respond to legitimate student queries with a reasonable period, generally 24 hours to 48 hours during school days except Sundays, no? So understood naman natin yan that Sunday is a rest day. Consultation hours, virtual office hours shall be announcement by each instructor at the start of the term of student requiring academic or design guideline outside class time. If meron tayong consultation hours, no? Pero meron naman. Minimum teaching requirements, so a working computer like a laptop, tablet capable of running required design and productivity software like AutoCAD, SketchUp, Revit, or equivalent as specified by your subject. So sa atin, yung subject naman natin is web lang naman yun, web browsing, tsaka PowerPoint presentation, Microsoft Word. So sometimes yun lang, no, for the subject. Pero sa iba, kailangan nyo pa din yung ganun, no? Kailangan makapag-run siya ng AutoCAD, SketchUp, Revit, sometimes D5 or Enscape, etc. So, kayo, you cannot relate to that because, ano pa kayo, second year pa lang. Pero sa ibang year, kailangan yun. So, a stable internet connection sufficient for video conferencing, file uploads, and access to the Newvle. So, internet connection is very crucial also. Functioning webcam, microphone for synchronous classes, consultation, and design juries are also technical requirement. Students experiencing persistent technical or connectivity difficulties should inform their instructor, no? So, kailangan ma-inform nyo ako. And coordinate with the college official student affairs for possible assistance or alternative arrangement. So, that is CSD yun, pero the next, iba na yung pangalan nun on this term, on this semester. You just have to coordinate with the college na lang, then you shall sila na magtuturo kung saang office ka magpapaayos, no, if there are problems with your account, with your connectivity and other things, no. So sa college magkakaroon din naman ng internet doon as I heard. Force majeure and emergency provisions in the event of internet outage, power out, interruptions, and natural calamities or other circumstances beyond the students or instructor protocol, alternative arrangement like extended deadlines, no, nag-extend tayo ng deadline, especially pag nagkakaroon ng bagyo for 1 week. So, nag-extend tayo ng deadline doon. Asynchronous makeup sessions or modular submissions. No, it can be provided by the discretion of the instructor, subject to the approval of program chair or dean to ensure equitable access to the instructor and assessment. So, sanctions and other disciplinary actions. So, these rules and violations shall be dealt with accordance to the new ECA University Handbook and Student Code of Conduct. It may range from verbal warning, no, written warning, grade deduction, or referral to the Office of the Student Affairs for appropriate disciplinary body. So, depending on the gravity and frequency of the offense that you have done. So, effectivity and amendments. So, these online class rules and regulations shall take effect upon adoption of the College of Architecture and shall remain in force until amended, revised, and superseded by subsequent issuance of the university or the college. So, sa ngayon, ito pa yung gagamitin natin. And for the next, siguro na mga semesters. Alright, so announcements and updates posted in Newvle also. You are responsible for checking in your Newvle all the time, so you cannot make an excuse that you did not see the announcement because we have a very flexible or very wide range of information dissemination. Okay, lecture over recordings, they will be available in my official YouTube channel, which will be included in the Newvle also for the link of those recordings. There are they are for review purposes and not for replacement for attendance. So kung di ka naka-attend ng synchronous class natin, wala ng attendance yun. But you could access the link for your own review. So passing standard, submission does not guarantee a passing grade, no? So quality output pa din, timely, and completeness, no, ng mga ginagawa natin. So kailangan kompleto yung pinasang requirement. If floor plan elevation section, kailangan kompleto yon. Hindi pwedeng plan lang yung sinubmit mo. So maybe you cannot receive a grade for that, or siguro kalahati, no? Pero it will be I discourage, no, na huwag kayo magpasa ng ganun. So here is the my contact. So for the email address, it is rtmatakubo@neu.edu.ph. Newville messaging time. So it could be our consultation time, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. from Mondays to Saturdays. Subject load, housing, ARCBU per factory for this semester. So we are online semester-wide. So you cannot see me at school, but you can contact me through these mediums and lines, no? Alright, so this is the end of this presentation. Thank you so much, and please stand by for further instruction.